Hello, primary 3 students. How are you? I hope you are doing well and stay safe. Here is another grammar lesson of Unit 8, which is the superlative form. So let's start. First of all, let's start with the usage of the superlative form. Usage comes from the verb use. So the superlative form is used to show the difference between more than two things, two people, two groups of things, or two groups of people. The superlative form for adjectives. How can we form the superlative form for adjectives? Here are some examples to make you understand using the superlative form. Example number 1, March is the nicest month. Here I compare between March and the other months of the year. The adjective here is the word nice. When I put the word nice or the adjective nice in the superlative form, I add the article the before the adjective nice, then we add st. Only st here. Why only st? Because the adjective nice ends in the letter E. So the example again, March is the nicest month. Example number 2, the giraffe is the tallest animal. Here I compare between the giraffe and the other animals. The adjective is the word tall. When I put the word or the adjective tall in the superlative form, we add the article the before tall and we add est at the end of the adjective, so it will be the giraffe is the tallest animal. Number 3, Aswan is the hottest city in Egypt. Here the adjective is hot. I use it to compare between Aswan and the other cities in Egypt. So we refer to the adjective again, which is the word hot. Look at the spelling of the word hot. It's H-O-T. The adjective hot has 3 letters, and the letter in the middle is a vowel letter, and it's between 2 consonants. In this case, we double the last letter, T, and add est at the end, and don't forget that we add the article the before the adjective to put it in the superlative form. So the example again is Aswan is the hottest city in Egypt. Example number 4, art is the easiest subject. Here we compare between art and the other subjects. So what is the adjective here? It's the word easy. And you can ask me a question. Is the word easy ending in the letter I or the letter Y? Of course it ends in the letter Y, but when the adjective ends in the letter Y, we change it into I, then we add est, and don't forget that we add the article the before the adjective in the superlative form. So the example again will be art is the easiest subject. Number 5 and the last, Hannah is the best girl in the class. Look at the word best. It is formed from the adjective good. From the adjective what? Good. So we change the word or the adjective good into the word best, so it will be the best. So Hannah is the best girl in the class. Right, so here we have some rules to form the superlative form. Number 1, we have 1-syllable adjectives. These adjectives, like nice, tall, hot, they only have 1 syllable. You pronounce them once. You do not divide them. So the rule is to add the article the before the adjective, then you add est. So we refer to the word nice again. It ends with E, so we add the article the before the word or the adjective nice, then we add only st. Why? Again, because this adjective ends with the letter E. Number 2, the the adjective tall. We add the article the before the adjective tall, then we add est, and the last one here is the adjective hot. The word hot, when you spell it, it's H-O-T. Alright, so O here is a vowel, and it is between two consonants, H and T. In this case, when you form it or you put it in the superlative form, you add the article the, then you double the last letter T, then you add est at the end. Number 2, we have two syllable adjectives ending in the letter Y. Here are some examples for you to know some of these adjectives. Number 1, easy. Number 2, happy. Number 3, busy. Number 4, crazy. All these adjectives end in the letter Y. So the rule is to drop the Y or the letter Y, then you add IEST. So when you put these adjectives in the superlative form, you drop the letter Y. There is no Y at all. And you change it into I. Then you add EST. Now let's see them again. Number 1, easy. It will be the easiest. Number 2, happy will be the happiest. Number 3, busy. It will be the busiest. And number 4, crazy will be the craziest. There are some irregular adjectives, and the question is, how do we form the irregular adjectives? The irregular adjectives are totally changed. How? Let me give you some examples to know how do we form the irregular adjectives. The irregular adjectives, you must memorize them, you keep them in mind, because there is no rule for them. The first example here is the word good. We change it into the best, the best. The adjective bad, we change it into the worst, the worst. The adjective far, we change it into the farthest, the farthest. Here is a quiz to evaluate your understanding of the grammar lesson. So let's start. For the grammar activities, here is a rewrite question. Rewrite the sentences using the words in brackets. Number 1, Nadia is tall, Noura and Hala are short. Use the tallest. Right? So, here we compare between Nadia and the other two girls, Noura and Hala. So, here we compare between two or more. Yes, we compare between more than two girls. So we use the superlative form of tall, which is the tallest. So the answer is what? Right. Nadia is the tallest girl. Very good. Number 2, February is short. March and July are long. Use shortest. Here I compare between February and two other months of the year. March and July. Excellent. So the superlative form is what? Shortest. Now start, Right. February is the shortest. Shortest what? Month. Very good. So February is the shortest month. Very good. Number 3, English is easy. Math and French are difficult. Use easiest. Right. Here we compare between English and other two subjects, math and French. Yes, very good. Okay, so we use the superlative form what? Easiest. Very good. So English is the easiest subject. Very good. Now it's practice time, and in this part you're going to answer the questions by yourself. So try to answer the following questions, and if you cannot answer the questions, please try to refer the lesson itself to help you answer the questions. Rewrite the sentence using the words in brackets. Number 1, Nadia is thin, Noura and Hala are fat. use the thinnest. Number 2, the tortoise is big. The rat and the lizard are small. Use biggest. Number 3, English is easy. Math and French are difficult. Use easiest. Number 4, Tom got 10 marks. His friends got 7 marks. Use best. Here we go, and this is the end of our presentation. Best of luck to you all. This presentation was presented by Mr. Nasib.